Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to protect your YouTube channel from malware. So before downloading any files in Chrome's, and then we need to turn on or enable the settings, enhance safe browsings. So what is enhance safe browsings? If you turn on enhance safe browsings to get faster and more proactive protections against dangerous websites, downloads, and extensions. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on Chrome browser. And then once you open up your Chrome browsers, on upper right sides on your Google account, and then tap your user profile icon. So just tap on it. And then select your manage your Google account. So if you're already open your Google account, on left side menu, and then you need to select security. And then on right pane is scroll down and you need to turn on these settings. So you can see now this enhance safe browsings for your accounts, and then you need to turn on or enable the settings. So enhance safe browsings for your accounts, so you can turn this off at any time. So turn on enhance safe browsings to get faster and more proactive protections against dangerous websites, downloads, and extensions. So how enhance safe browsings for your account works? Enhance safe browsings for your account works automatically in the background to provide faster proactive protections against dangerous websites, downloads, and extensions. If you choose to turn on enhance safe browsings for your account, enhance safe browsings keeps you safe when you sign in and improves your security in Google Chrome and Gmail. Alright, so this is the most important settings on Chrome and Google account. So that's it. Very easy. Just only turn on this button or toggle this button to turn on or enable the settings. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.